Guys, Tata Consulting Services and Anthropic just teamed up in an effort to replace tens of thousands of workers with AI agents. This is not happening in the future. This is happening right now, right before your very eyes. We're seeing AI agents deployed at an alarming rate. And if you're not paying attention, you're going to be completely swept under the rug. It's shocking me how many people just don't understand what's happening with these AI agent rollouts. Guys, this groundbreaking deal is going to completely transform the future of IT and artificial intelligence inside of enterprises and the way that human beings operate in these enterprises. You see, India's TCS is one of the largest IT outsourcing and consultancy firms in the world. But this partnership with Anthropic's Claude doesn't just infuse AI and the token economy into major enterprises. It transforms who's actually going to be functional inside these companies. And listen, we've looked at a lot of major layoffs. I think this is perhaps one of the biggest and most alarming and news stories that people are just not talking about. The consultancy world is incredibly large. And now what we're seeing is that big consultancy firms and IT and outsourcing firms are starting to land huge deals with AI companies like Anthropic. And today we're going to talk about not just TCS, but a couple other companies that you've heard of, but had no idea what they were doing with AI agents. But listen, Tata is going to equip 50,000 of their associates with Claude AI and bring these solutions to the companies that TCS has relationships with. And we're going to cover why that's important here in just a moment. But listen, don't just take my word for it. The TCS chairman, N. Chandrasekaran, said, quote, "If the company has 500,000 employees, the day is not far when the company will have 500,000 AI agents. The company's employees and AI agents will work together, and that will be the future." So let me ask you a question. If that company that has 500,000 employees, if they deploy 500,000 AI agents, do you think they're still going to need 500,000 employees? Do you think those 500,000 employees that are at that company are still going to be doing the same job? If you say yes, I think you're completely misreading what's happening here. If you deploy 500,000 agents, those are, thousands, that's hundreds of thousands, millions, tens of millions of tasks that aren't being done by human beings anymore. And quite frankly, I think this is kind of exciting for a guy like me who runs a business and is working with clients to be more efficient. This is exciting because I just get a lot more done more quickly. And I could give you some examples. Just even today, I was using Claude to deploy some really cool sites, some really cool assessments and readouts, doing analytical work, writing different posts and stuff. Like, it is amazing. And by the way, if you haven't yet, the new Claude update is out, and you can use Fable now, which quite frankly is faster. I think quite a bit better than Opus 4.8. You can let me know in the comments what you think about it, but I'm pretty impressed with it so far. Anyway, regardless, this is really, really big for Anthropic as well, because listen to this. This quarter, they're expected to bring in $559 million in profit off the back of $10.9 billion in revenue. And this is one of the things, it's not locked in yet. We haven't seen their exact financials yet, but this is a big deal because for months, if not years, we've heard people saying that AI is smoke and mirrors. There's no real revenue. The revenue is there. Not just revenue, but profit. Not to mention an IPO that's likely to be released later this year from Anthropic. Are you going to get in on that? Are you going to get on that IPO? I don't know if I want to get in on the hype cycle, but that's pretty interesting. Anyways, Anthropic is going to be asking themselves, how do we scale that? How do we really scale? How do we really 100x this growth? And the reality is they want their models to be deployed in banks, insurers, airlines, governments, hospitals. That's where it is. You got to get into the big companies. Now, TCS gives them instant access to major corporations. They have relations, guys. TCS is huge. If you don't know who Tata Consulting Services is, this is a huge IT firm. They're doing business with the largest companies and governments all over the world. And I'll give you an example. A company like Diligenta is a UK-based life and pension business with over 22 million customers. And because of this agreement with TCS and Anthropic, guys, TCS is gonna train their people, and they're gonna start moving to push these AI tools inside companies like Diligenta. But what are the ramifications of this collaboration? Guys, it's a massive shift in who's actually relevant in this company. I think it's fitting that I'm outside on a day with stormy clouds, because it is gonna be a stormy day for many, many employees and many, many people who aren't leveraging these tools and understanding how to use these tools. I think it's really important that whatever profession you're in, whatever your expertise is, you should be using Claude, but you need to be using a tool like Claude and deploying tools like that to do your job better and more effectively and delighting customers. You can, guys, you can create dashboards and presentations instantly with tons of cool features and graphics and before and after and charts and interactive displays and share. And people don't know this yet, but you can wow the pants off people when they see this stuff. And let me just kind of make this a little bit more real for you if it's not real enough. In the past, a bank would need, say, 1,000 offshore workers. Now, it's only need 300 workers, 1,000 AI agents, and then a few AI agent supervisors. In fact, a few days ago, just to kind of illustrate how important this is, we noted there was an enterprise company that burned $500 million worth of tokens in 1 month. And you're gonna need consultants and people that understand how to curb this type of overuse. I'll give you an example. If you had an AI token manager that could reduce that spend by, let's say 10%, that's $50 million in 1 month saved from that one person. That's $600 million a year in savings because you had someone inside your organization that understood how to reduce the cost of tokens. How much do you think that person would be worth in this market? If that person could save you $600 million a year, how much would you pay that person? $500 million? Like the amount of compensation is unprecedented if you are at the cutting edge of this stuff. But just to kind of illustrate how big this is, TCS is not the only consulting company that's going this route. Cognizant just rolled out Claude to 350,000 employees. And McKinsey, one of the largest consultancy firms in the world, also doing a similar thing. Kate Smage is McKinsey's global leader for technology and AI. And you know what she said? She said that they've seen a massive, insanely large drop in PowerPoint usage within just a couple of months because employees have begun vibe coding AI tools. And another McKinsey consultant is building AI-assisted websites for clients to act as like a central hub of information. Like the amount of work that you can get done in a short period of time, and it's beautiful and interactive. It's like this whole world of, oh, we're gonna take a few months to do market research and to put together PowerPoints, and now you can get that done in a weekend. We're gonna do the market research, we're gonna validate it, we're gonna create a central hub, a central dashboard using Claude, a website that we can all interact with and we can implement into a database like Supabase, and we can validate information, we can customize, that time is now. I've got a buddy of mine who runs a landscaping business. He does very well for himself. And you know, I had a get together the other night for the Knicks Spurs game, smoked a brisket. It was awesome. First brisket I smoked and it went great. But I digress. Anyway, we were talking about Claude and some of the things you could do with it. And just today he shared with me a dashboard with data, and he's got an API integration into Stripe, into other pieces of his tech stack. He's like, I don't even know if I'm gonna need my CRM anymore. That costs me, my company, $300 a month. It's almost $4,000 a year in spend, which he could drop down to almost nothing by building out his own software. So guys, the time is now. If you haven't been playing with Claude, if you're not paying $20 a month for Claude, do it. Do it now. Because this is coming to every organization. And if you look at what the biggest firms and the biggest offshoring firms are doing, this is the skill of our generation. It's understanding how to deploy these tools. And, you know, get in while the getting's good, guys. Get in while the getting's good. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like, subscribe, put your thoughts below on what you're doing with Claude. I'd love to see if you got a great comment. I'll pin you to the top because that's what we're here to do. We're here to share these tools so we can remain relevant and financially free in this new world. All right, boys, I'll catch you in the next video. In the meantime, check out yesterday's video where we talk about Sam Bankman-Fried, the famous hustler and founder of FTX. And it turns out he was actually right all along. Don't believe me? Check out your video. I'll see you there. Peace.